In this video, I'm going to talk about an excellent skin moisturizer and share its recipe with you. This is a remedy you can easily make at home, and it's a proven formula that has been used for a very long time. The chemistry of this moisturizer, its chemical composition is very similar to the skin's own natural oil. The oil that naturally appears on our skin is called sebum. It is produced by the sebaceous glands, and this remedy does not make the skin oily. It absorbs very well, brings softness to the skin, and gives a healthy glow. First, let's understand this properly. Skin is the largest organ in our body, and when anything is applied to the skin, it can enter the body through the bloodstream and become part of the system. It's quite surprising how people apply all kinds of chemical lotions, synthetic makeup products, and other substances to their skin without understanding their effects. This damages the skin, over-sterilizes it, increases sensitivity, causes itching, redness, and makes the skin even drier. Due to this dryness, the body receives a signal that more oil is needed. As a result, the sebaceous glands become overactive and start producing excess oil, which leads to clogged pores, acne, and a higher risk of infection. This happens because over-sterilizing the skin kills the friendly bacteria that normally protect it and prevent infections. That's why it is extremely important to avoid applying toxic compounds or artificial chemicals to the skin. On one side, these products damage the skin, and on the other side, we are already exposed to pollution, dust, environmental toxins, and ultraviolet radiation from the sun. UV radiation directly damages skin cells. Even more important than this is diet, what you eat and drink. Many people consume excessive trans fats without realizing it. Everything you eat becomes part of your body and directly affects your skin. Some people switch to very low-fat diets, but healthy fats are essential for healthy skin. Skin is made of protein and fat. Together, many people who are dieting completely eliminate fats from their meals. Even those on low-carbohydrate diets often consume only protein and avoid fats entirely. Some people rely only on plant protein, such as soy protein isolate, and avoid animal protein altogether. In such cases, wrinkles appear earlier. Skin aging accelerates because collagen intake becomes insufficient. The protein profile is incomplete, and omega-3 fatty acids essential. For skin health are missing. Not only the skin, but hair also becomes dull, and overall aging speeds up. Then there are people who love junk food and ultra-processed foods. These contain artificial corn sugar, MSG, commonly called Chinese salt, synthetic corn starch, and are deep-fried in refined cooking oils and seed oils. These oils are unstable and cause oxidation in the body. They lead to inflammation in blood vessels, tissues, and organs including the skin. Since the skin is the largest organ, these oils penetrate cell membranes and can remain in the body for 2 to 3 years. They are high in omega-6 and low in omega-3. Omega-3 is found in higher amounts in fish oil, flaxseed oil, chia seed oil, sesame oil, walnut oil, and similar sources. These are healthier options. Most cooking oils available in the market are highly processed, which significantly reduces their omega-3 content. You may be surprised to learn that omega-6 is also added to many moisturizing creams. When applied directly to the skin, this can worsen dryness, accelerate wrinkles, and damage the skin further. Over the past 100 years, the use of cooking oils has increased by nearly 1,600%, and in the last 20 years alone, consumption has doubled. I would suggest trying an oil detox for 30 days. Just remove these oils from your diet for 1 month and observe the changes in your health. 1 month is not a long time. Now let's talk about what you should apply to your skin. This is beefed. The word tallow comes from Latin and refers to sebum, the oil, naturally produced by our skin through the sebaceous glands. This type of fat does not oxidize on the skin and does not cause inflammation. It contains vitamins A, D, E, and K, along with CLA. CLA helps retain moisture in the skin, prevents dryness, and maintains hydration. Beef tallow looks similar to coconut oil, but it is different. It does not make the skin greasy or oily. It softens the skin, enhances a healthy glow, and contains nutrients that help reduce dark spots and prevent wrinkles. About 50% of its fat is saturated fat. It contains oleic acid, which is an excellent moisturizer. palmitic acid, which softens the skin's stearic acid, which helps repair the skin, and linoleic acid, which is technically omega-6, but it is present in only about 2%, a very small amount. The method of making this is very simple. Take half a cup of beef tallow and add 2 tablespoons of almond oil or olive oil. These 2 ingredients alone are sufficient. This mixture will have no smell. If you want to add fragrance, you can optionally add rosemary oil, but fragrance is not essential. The balm itself does not have a strong smell. Do not make it in large quantities, make a small amount. Use it, and then prepare it again when needed. Mix all the ingredients well. If you have an electric mixer, the process will be easier, but it can also be done by hand. During make, seeing the mixture reaches a stage where it turns into a balm-like consistency. That's exactly what you want. The main ingredient is beef fat, which you can easily get from any local meat shop. First, you need to render the beef fat into beef tallow. You can easily find this process online, as many videos are available. Start using this balm on your skin regularly instead of chemical moisturizers, and you will notice a significant difference. It contains no chemicals at all. It is completely natural and is an old traditional remedy that people used in the past. Over time, the idea was promoted that saturated fats are bad for the body, but that is not entirely true. The problem lies in the excessive use of poor quality unsaturated fats. If you combine these two, changes removing omega-6 fats from your diet and using tallow on your skin, you will see noticeable improvements within a few weeks. Do try it and share your experience in the comments.